Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an updated Apple Watch and iPhone with Bluetooth active. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, then go to the App Store section to find apps. Once done, install or transfer apps to the watch. Make sure to grant required permissions like location and notifications so apps run correctly. You'll see progress icons on the watch face. Tap them to launch. If an app needs pairing settings, follow on screen prompts to complete the initial handshake. Now you configure and learn app behavior. On your iPhone, choose grid or list layout and drag icons to organize. This saves time when you reach for an app. Open each app's settings either on the watch or in its iPhone companion to set notification priority, background refresh, and complication placement. Once configured, practice launching with a firm press or a tap and use swipes and the digital crown to navigate. These steps make interactions faster and reduce battery drain over time. Finish by using apps for their intended tasks. Track workouts, reply to messages, or use timers and maps. When an app misbehaves, force quit by holding side button and swiping the app, then reopen it. If that fails, reinstall from the App Store. If syncing stalls, restart both devices and verify Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. One key troubleshooting tip: if persistent issues continue, unpair and repair the watch to rebuild sync data. This preserves backups and resolves most stubborn app and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.